You click convert to WFS and you waited 24 hours, but your listing still says seller fulfilled. You're not crazy. It's an internal Walmart error. And here's the reason why it keeps happening and then what to do about it. So if we go right into Walmart, obviously you go into your inventory, right? And then you convert the item to WFS. Not a huge deal, but when it doesn't convert to WFS, it's a problem, right? Now go through and then click convert to WFS multiple times. Sometimes you have to do 4 times in a row, 5 times in a row, right? Before it works. If it still doesn't work, obviously there's something wrong. And most likely it's going to be the Hazmat review. Walmart doesn't even notify you half the time that your product needs Hazmat review. And the bots are the ones that are automatically rejecting it. Obviously, it's not a person, it's a bot. And if we look at the actual Walmart policy, it's going to be these items that are causing the problem. If you're selling one of these items, then this is definitely the issue. I'll show you how to resolve it. If it's not something like this, then maybe the bots are pretty much targeting you or retargeting you into one of these hazardous material categories. Nail polish, shampoo, cologne, perfume, makeup, things that Walmart's allowed to sell, but you're not via WFS. UV lights, air purifiers, water filters, laptops, power banks, right? And I'm sure that there's a larger list that could potentially go on. And then it says, how do I set up an item with hazardous materials? During the item setup, you'll need to fill required information such as battery size or net content measured. You may need to link a safety data sheet or label image as well so we can verify the information, right? Now, the best thing to do is first to figure out, let's say this is your listing, right? You're trying to sell some cologne, not a huge deal. Now, the best thing you can do is to find competitors that have already done it before, right? So if you find a competitor that's selling cologne, so if we look down here, right, and you can see right here, it says fulfilled by Walmart. So we already have somebody selling cologne and they're fulfilled by Walmart. Now, this might take a little bit of time, but just keep this in mind at the end of the day, that there are people that are doing this. You want to take a screenshot to show Walmart that, hey, if they can do it, we can potentially do it. And we even have, here's an email, right? And this is from Walmart where we attempted to convert one of our clients' perfume cologne products into WFS. And they specifically said, to clarify, it is eligible for Walmart. It is eligible, but you need to follow our special step-by-step policy in order to get it approved for WFS, right? Because it's considered a chemical. Examples include the ones that I just showed you, cologne, and then they show you how to do it. Now, pretty much what happens is there is an area on Amazon and it says action needed, or sorry, on Walmart, it says action needed, right? And if this doesn't show up, then the easiest thing is to just straight up contact Walmart. But what I want you to do before you contact Walmart is try your best to find a competitor, just like I showed you, that literally says fulfilled by Walmart already. If you can find a competitor that already says fulfilled by Walmart, screenshot the entire page, then come back and then contact Walmart. So you have reference, you have proof. If they can do it, why can't I? Right? So you can show them before they just completely shut you down. And keep in mind that it's difficult to sell the items that I mentioned: perfume, tick repellent, hairspray, shampoo, anything like that, power banks, laptops, air filters, water filters. Who would have guessed? Right? And a lot of this is being caused by bots. So just keep that in mind. If you create a blank listing and then convert it to WFS and ship your items in and then optimize your listings, then your inventory is already in, right? It's the bots. Once you optimize the listing and then you decide to change to WFS, that's why it's happening, right? So there is kind of a way to kind of elude this and get your inventory in. But at the end of the day, the bots will find you and they will shut down your WFS listing. And it is difficult to get through. So it's going to be a full-time job getting somebody that's willing to help you. But if you provide them with that reference of somebody else is already doing it, that's your fighting ticket, right? And of course, we do this full time. We're experts in Walmart and Amazon. We're consultants. The link's right in the description. If you need help with any of this, we specialize in all of this. Walmart, eBay, Amazon, Etsy. Feel free to contact us anytime. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.